So n8n has officially gone ahead and released their newest feature called Chat Hub, and I'm really excited about that because I think that will change the way how we interact with our AI agent inside n8n. And the simplest way possible to think about Chat Hub as like ChatGPT having access to all of our AI agent, and it can even call them from that chat window and then get the responses back from the AI agent. So let's move over to n8n dashboard, and here I have not updated my n8n instant yet. So just to show you guys how to do it, so just go to the admin panel here and then go to the manage tab, and then you have to select the latest version, that is 2.1.0, and it's still in the beta mode, so they are probably testing it. And just select that and click on save changes, and then you have to update and restart the n8n instance. So just click on this, and now going back out to our n8n, and we have this chat option here. So just click on this chat option, and this is the new update we have. And first of all, here we have all the different models, like we have the OpenAI, we have Anthropic, then we have Google, then we have Google models, and then we have Olama, and we have AWS Bedrock, and we have the Grok, and then we have the Open Router. So we this is and here we have all the different models that are available, like Anthropic, Gemini, Claude. So the key thing here is, like if I select any model here, like if I select any DeepSeek model here, so and I will just ask this n8n, and we just send this message, and here we have the detailed uh, guide about n8n, like what is n8n. n8n pronounced as this is a powerful open source workflow automation tool, and here we have all the details about n8n, like key characteristics, and then we have sample workflow example and who is n8n for, and we have different details. And now I have changed it to OpenAI model, which is GPT-4.1 mini, and I will just simply ask, can I have more details on this, and I will just click on send, and here we have the even more details, and in that context window, and we have the details here on n8n, like we have architecture, then we have deployment options, and then we have the ecosystem and even more details. So and even if I can change it to any other model like Anthropic or Gemini, we will still continue this conversation here. Like, so this is the first part of the update, which is we have all the different models in here available in just one window, and we can continuously switch between them. The next part of this update is, here we have the tools. So click on tools, and here we have the SERP API, we have the Gina AI, and then we have the web access tools. Like we have the tools for web research here, and we can also create credential for SERP API and Gina, just like any other credentials in n8n. And I really hope that n8n will add more and more tools into it in next coming months. And then we have on the right hand side, we have the voice input, just like ChatGPT, and then we can attach some file to it. So just like ChatGPT or any other LLM. But the main part of this update is here we have the personal agent, and then we have the workflow agents. So the workflow agents are those that we built in n8n by ourselves. And here in workflow agent, I have one agent. So I will just select this now, and let me start a new chat first. And now I will select the agent again. And here, and now we will test this agent here in Chat Hub. So I will just write something like send an email at this email and remind him about our meeting that we have tomorrow. And I will just hit enter, and we will wait for a few seconds, and here we have the response. The email reminder about our meeting tomorrow has been sent at this email. So let me open up my Gmail first, and here I have a meeting reminder. So dear Hassan, this is friendly reminder about our meeting scheduled tomorrow. So the AI agent is working perfectly. And now you might be thinking about what this agent is about. So let me open up my n8n dashboard first. And here we have this AI agent that I just named agent. So I will just open it up, and basically this is the workflow that just send an email to that particular email. And here we have the recent execution, and let me open up the Gmail. And here we have this like we just recently sent this message from our email node here. And here we have our AI agent. And uh, exactly we have the here we have the input. And now here we have the output that we just sent to that particular email. And to make this agent visible in that chat hub, we have to go to the chat trigger. And then we have to we have to toggle this on, make available in n8n chat. So if you want any of your workflow to available in the chat hub, you must toggle this option on. And then we have the agent name. We can write any agent name here, like I will just simply write agent here. And then we have the description. This description does not affect the AI agent or anything in the chat. So this description is just for you, or maybe for your team. So let me close this. And the next step, we have to publish this AI agent. So to make any n8n workflow available in ChatHub, we have to turn on this option first, and then we have to publish that workflow. And in that way, we will be able to see our AI agent inside ChatHub. Now, one thing here is, if you are using n8n on a self-hosting version, like on your own server like Hostinger or any other, you probably not see that option at first. So try removing that chat trigger node, and try adding a fresh node from here. In that case, it might be visible to you. And another case we have is, if we have some other trigger here, like in this workflow, I will leave it without saving. And in this Telegram workflow, we have the Telegram trigger, and it might be the Slack, or it might be the webhook trigger, or it might be WhatsApp trigger, or some other. So in that case, we have to add a chat trigger here. So I will just add a chat trigger here. And we have to make that public, make that available in any chat. And then we have to add attach that chat trigger to our AI agent. So you have to make sure that your workflow will run in by a natural language command, or whatever input you dump into a chat hub or in chat trigger. But for now, let's take a quick example and we will build it from the scratch. And now I will just add the chat trigger here. So I will just add the chat trigger, and we have to make available in n8n chat. So I will just click on that, and I will give this agent some name like stock agent. And you can add some description also. But for now, let's just add an AI agent here. And I will just add an AI agent, and we will connect it to the OpenAI model. And I will just change the system prompt here. So I will instead of you are a helpful assistant, I will just add you are a helpful like stock assistant. So let's move back, let's just save this workflow, and we have to publish it. And I will just keep it to the version 1. And now if I move back to the workflow agents, and we have our stock agent here. So let's quickly we have to test this agent again. And I will just select the stock agent, and I will just paste my query here. What factors usually affect a stock price? And I will just send this. And so here we have the response. Several factors typically affect a stock price, and here we have a detailed response. And if we go back to our agent and go to executions, so here we have this recent execution. And now you have better idea how we can use ChatHub. And now if I go back to the editor, or if I go back to the ChatHub first, and here we have the personal agent too. So we can create our agent here in ChatHub also. So it's like a custom GPT or a custom project. We can give this agent some name, then we have the description, and then we have the system prompt, and then we can select any model from here. And it's basically like we just create our AI agent here in ChatHub instead of n8n interface. And hopefully you have a better idea about ChatHub and what are the how we can use ChatHub. And one thing really nice about nice here is you can just call all of your workflows directly from this chat box, and you can even use all of different chat models here without breaking the context. And I hope you might be thinking about different use cases, how you can use ChatUp in your n8n workflows. And I just tried to give you a basic idea about this new n8n update. And if you like this video, make sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more automation, n8n and AI stuff. And if you have any ideas or suggestions, drop them out in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.